Here's how to calculate credit card interest with Excel. Gather the details of all credit card accounts. Use one column for each credit card. Enter the information from your credit card statements. Calculate the monthly interest amount. The annual interest rate is divided by 12 to arrive at a monthly interest charge. Compare interest to principal payments. Total the sum of all monthly interest charges. Create a formula using the sum function. Keep in mind that the interest fee will change every month as you make payments on the balance. Saving money on credit card interest, you must find lower interest and no-fee credit cards, pay more than the minimum amount, and lastly, take advantage of 0% offers. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.